Wanna delete search suggestions on Instagram? Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can clear all your Instagram search suggestions using Android or iPhone. It's super easy, so let's get started. Well, so now to do that, simply go and open up the Instagram app from your Android or iPhone, and from the home page, if I tap on the search button here, and if I tap on search, you'll get to see I have a few different suggestions here. So if you want to delete any individual search suggestions from here, you can tap on this cross button beside the search here, and this will be deleted. But if you type anything on the search bar here, you'll get a few different suggestions. So if you want to delete that one, or if you want to have a clean look on this one, then you just need to get back from here, go to the home page, and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right, and tap on this three-dot line at the top right, and then scroll down from this page, and here we get the option called content preferences. You just need to tap on this one, and at the bottom right you'll get the reset suggested content. You just need to tap on this one, and you just need to give it a look on this one for a fresh start, and tap on next, and tap on reset suggestion content, tap reset, and this will actually get a fresh look on your Instagram account. And this is how you can do this process. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.